Hello and welcome back to Wow's Embossing channel. My name is Aditi. Today I'm back with some sparkly, glittery fun for y'all. I'm creating this mixed media style tag which can be incorporated in a card as well. So to begin with, I am using a piece of pattern paper, placing a stencil and applying embossing paste through the stencil. Now for my tag, I'm applying the embossing paste mainly on the right side of this paper of the tag because I already know that on the left side, I will be creating a composition using multiple elements and I want this to just pop in the background. I'm using the new Earth Sparkles White, sprinkling it over this wet embossing paste that I have applied through the stencil. And what that does is it just holds all of the sparkly shimmery powder, creating a nice white sparkly background. Now I have elements here and I'm going to be using the gold Earth Sparkle along with emerald green as well as the light green sparkle to just add bling to these fussy cut pieces and emphera pieces. So I am using liquid adhesive that I have put in a fine tip nozzle bottle and I just apply that on all of these elements in an organic manner. So I add dots, I just add lines, just a little detail so that when I sprinkle the sparkles over this, it will hold that in a few places and add the perfect shimmer and bling that I need for my elements. So this whole project actually is just based out of pattern paper, fussy cut elements, emphera, and Wow's fabulous earth sparkles and the regular sparkles. So adding bling to all of these elements, I am quickly just going to move ahead and repeat the same process on all the elements like I was telling you. So on leaves at a few places, I'm going to bring in the green. At a few places, I've brought in the gold and just mixing things up to create a nice uniform yet sparkly background and elements. Now I'm just going with the colors that already exist on my elements here. So I am not bringing up anything else. What I'm doing is to the green, I'm adding gold for that pop of contrast. And to the yellow flowers and some of the other green elements, I'm adding the brighter green, again, just to create a darker sense of bling. Have you ever tried a technique like this? Do you enjoy playing with your sparkles? Do let me know because I'd love to know how you enjoy using your sparkles and creating with them in your projects. I repeat this not just on the paper elements, but I have a few coordinated chipboard elements. So I forgot to mention this collection is from Kaiser Craft, and I think the company no longer makes these beautiful pattern papers and emphera elements with the coordinated chipboard elements. However, you can always use anything from your stash. So I am just applying glue on the chipboard elements and sprinkling the sparkles for that added colored bling effect. It just makes it so simple for me to color my elements. Now with all of that done, all I need to do is start adhering the elements down in place. I am going to use liquid glue on a few elements to create base layers, and I'm definitely going to bring in some foam tape on a few other elements to create depth and dimension. What this does, it just creates gorgeous layers, and that is what mixed media is all about. Layering it up, bringing in the depth and dimension, and adding details for a cohesive, complete composition. So I'm playing with the paper elements and laying some on top of the others, some tucked underneath. And then, of course, I also add in the chipboard elements that I have colored in with my sparkles. And all this again with liquid adhesive. I definitely have to let this tag sit at one spot to let it dry completely, and I do dust off any excess glitter and sparkle before I really store it or hand it out to somebody, or just keep it on my desktop. I use white sparkles to finish this off, and here is a closer look at this tag all dried. I absolutely love how this turned out, and I can't wait to hear your comments on what you think about this tag and the technique that I've shared today. Looking forward to creating and inspiring you more. See you the next time. Take care and bye bye.